Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. Types of errors and bugs detected through gray box testing. One of the main goals of gray box testing is to find errors and bugs in a program. With companies looking to deliver high-end apps that their customers can rely on wherever possible, there are a few specific types of errors and bugs that testers can find in the gray box testing process, each of which can indicate a different problem with the code. The types of errors and bugs detected in gray box testing include 1. Process failure. The first form of error is process failure. 2. Incorrect output. Some errors in gray box testing occur when the output of a process isn't the one the developers anticipate. 3. Security errors. Security errors occur when a company's application is somewhat insecure and allows third-party access to the information held within. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.